What's up YouTube? This is Freaks Ritual. About to show you guys a new light I got. I got this one from Skybin Trade on Amazon. But disclosure, I don't know nothing about weapon lights, alright? Well, not weapon lights. I don't know anything about weapons. Alright? But we're just gonna get into this. I will leave links in the description where you can get this light. But anyways, here we go. This is the Olight Odin 2000 lumens max. That's all you get. 300 meters of throw. Sorry, I tried doing this review a bunch of times because I can't figure out how to mount this bad boy on my to my little pistol light. Alright, as you could see, I've been having a hard time. I don't know if you can see that, but I finally figured it out. I'll show you guys. Alright, but anyways, let's look at the back real quick. Alright, this is from 2000 meters. 2000 meters on high, and if you run it through the whole time without turning it off, it'll stay on for 2000 lumens for 2 minutes. Then it will dim down to 1000 lumens for 9 minutes. Then it will dim down to 760 lumens for 125 minutes. Then it will dim down to 300 lumens for 24 minutes. But if you have it just on 300 lumens for the whole time, it will run for 8 hours. So that's not bad. Alright. Alright. For 300 lumens is 118 meters beam distance, and of course 2000, like I said already, 300 meters, and 2000 lumens is 22,500 candela, and lowest 300 lumens for 3,481 candela. Impact resistance to 1.5 meters, and it's waterproof to IPX8 rating. So it's like that with every other light. But anyways, this is the box, typical Olight box. This looks like a sticker. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe if you peel it off, you see the gunmetal version, maybe. I don't know. That's probably why they use that. Alright, so here we go. Thank you for being a part of our Olight family. Your support is why we do this. Enjoy, Olight team. And this is the directions. Congrats on your new Olight. But I'm going to show you how to do that. Alright, here's your light. Comes with your light. Chargeable cable. Magnetic cable. Zip ties. Oh, this was sticking to it. This was here. It was like that. Comes with an Allen wrench. Alright. Here's your pressure switch. And this is a 21700 battery light. Doesn't take 18650s. But here's your pressure switch. When I first did this review, I already did this already. This is another mount. And I think you use the zip ties, correct me if I'm wrong, to mount this bad boy on whatever gun you have. And this is your magnetic. Yeah, this is magnetic. But anyways, we ain't gonna take a look at the manual. I'm gonna show you the light first. So let's move everything out the way. And one day I want to buy a gun, but I want to learn the right way. But anyways, alright, I want to go to a gun school or gun classes or whatever it is. Learn by the pros. But anyways, alright, here's the light. This piece, alright, see how it's on unlock? You twist the lock. You cannot take this off. Alright, unlock it, push, pull. That simple. And if you want, you could do it the other way. So I guess it's for right-left arrows, but whatever works for you. And you could also do it like this. So there's another part. That's how I'm going to mount this bad boy on. I'll show you that in a second. Gonna show you how to charge this bad boy. Alright, so when you hear that snap, that means it's on. Alright. First, I'm going to show you this. Pressure switch. See that? You push to lock. So it won't come out. It's locked. Simple as that. Now you could take it off. Now you can't unless you pull it. Well, that's how that works. Simple operation. Tap quick for full 2000, off. And then you hold for momentary. Simple as that. Alright, that's done. I'm going to show you the battery it comes with. It is lubed, so this is their 21700 battery. This is why people don't like this battery, because of this. Your special charging capabilities. And because of this, a lot of chargers, or mostly all chargers, will not charge this. Only way you could charge this is in the light. Unless you could find one that will charge it. But anyways, let me show you this part. It kind of looks like this. Oop. That's what that looks like. Let me see if I could. No, I don't think the head don't come off. No. Let's see if you can see inside. That's what the inside looks like, if you could see. Tiny spring. Let's close this up. And this is how the light looks. Has a TIR optics. I'm not sure about what kind of LED it is. If I find out, I'll leave it on the screen. But this is what gives it a nice wide beam. Has a tack bezel, kind of. It's not that sharp, but if you hit someone with this, it should hurt. There you go. Alright, I'm going to show you. Oops, sorry, hit the camera. Let me show you how this charges. Simple. Boom. Grab this. And hit the button. Now it's charging. And just so you know, like other smaller EDC chargers, this one's a lot thicker. So I'll charge it quicker. But that's how that is. Alright, now I'm going to try to mount this bad boy on. You do need, well, it does come with an Allen key, but I'm using this. So I can show you the size if you lose your Allen key. 2.5. So that's what you need for that. Alright, so the way I'm mounting it on, I have to take this off and go the other way. Remember, lock. take this off. Not off, but this is how you make it wider so you can mount it. And I already did this reveal. And you see these little indentions? It took me forever to figure this out because I don't know nothing about weapons, like I said. This is just a BB gun. So once it sits in one of those crevices, well, let me show you that part. See that? The indentation that's coming out. That's what makes it sit in place. So once I could get it sitting in place from doing this right, I'm not sure. Oops, didn't mean to take it off. Oop. So I didn't know weapons could be a pain in the butt like this. Alright. Let's see if this works. Yeah, I think it is working. So you just tighten it. I guess that's how it looks. Oh, I had it on the other side before, so you could mount it to any side. But let me show you user interface. This is just funny. It just looks funny as hell, so don't go for this. But here's the user interface. Tap quick, 300 lumens. Alright, tap quick for off. Quick tap, hard tap for 2000. And then hard tap again for off. Or you hold it all the way down, you get your momentary. It's that simple. Quick. That's how it is. Alright. Didn't want this to take this long, but it did because of this dumb mounting thing. Some people gotta know. Alright guys. I'm gonna show you the performance outside. Be right back. Guys, I forgot to mention that, well, I don't remember if I did or not. When I first got this in the box, I went to turn it on. This thing vibrated. Alright. It's like a PS4 controller. How it vibrates. This does when the battery voltage is low. Just wanted to let you guys know that. Alright. Let's go do these beam shots. Alright guys, I'm about to show you guys some beam shot footage of the Olight Odin. So, I'm about to pull it out. It's only 2 modes, so you're gonna see what you get. I did already do this video, but there's too many lights, so it wouldn't give you good idea of how it looked because all the street lights there was. But anyways, here we go. Here's all you see is blackness. Alright, right now it's 300 lumens. This is 300 lumens. Hold on. Alright. Get some good distance. It's 300 lumens and then 2000 lumens. What the hell was that? It's a big mosquito. Alright. Now I'm gonna push it to 2000. Look at that. And it doesn't give off a hot spot. It's like a big wide beam. It's like a long distance floodlight. Because of the TIR optics lens. See, I thought I wasn't gonna like Olight because of this, but I was wrong. I actually got attached to this brand. Alright, so now I'm gonna put this up and we're gonna see how it looks. First we're gonna start with 300 lumens and I'll push it to 2000. I'm just gonna walk so it gives you a representation of how it's gonna look. And it does feel hot. Maybe you can see some critters. This place always creeps me out, but who cares? Right now I'm only at 300 lumens. So when I get to a certain point, I'm going to push it up to 2000 lumens so you can see a longer distance. There's the same place I seen a owl. That was for my intro, that I added to my intro. Who knows, maybe we'll see an owl. It's still only 300 lumens, but for 300 lumens it still gets out there. Alright, I'm gonna push this bad boy up to 2000 lumens. Hold on. Alright, here we go. Bam! See, this is a good gun light, but I want to use this. I don't have guns right now, I only have a BB gun. I see eyes out there. Yeah, that's a critter right there in between the trees. You saw. Let's see what it is. It's kind of small. It might be a coyote. Could be a baby deer. Let's see. Let's put it at 300 lumens. And then I'll blast it to 2000 lumens. That does not look like a deer. Is that a dog? Or a cat? Come here, boy! No, I think it's a cat. It's just a cat. I think. Yeah, I think it's a cat. Looks skinny, needs to be fed. But yeah, there's a beam distance. That'd be crazy if it's a bobcat, but it's not. Let's push it to 300. I see eyes way down there too. Well, cat don't want to come to me, so I'm not gonna chase him. There's a lot of houses by here, so it could be someone's cat. Alright, I'm going to push it back up to 2000 lumens and I'm going to end the video. 2000. Whoa, 2 more eyes. I don't know what that is. There's a couple of them over there. That's 300. Alright guys, I hope you like my beam shot footage. I'm going to be getting the Olight Warrior X Turbo, so I'm going to review that one next. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Peace.